Jit, tripping, welcome.
It's tripping time.
Melvia, you better be ready. There's gonna be some brain rot and a lot. Brain rot, food. Yeah, a lot of that. Yeah, don't mind all that. It'll be a lot more funnier and a lot more singing.
Kill you, crab.
Yeah. From whenever Tabor is on the swing. Yeah, she's my little cousin. She is a year younger, and yes. By the way, tell me what your favorite movie is in the
Dinner time!
Dinner time.
I'm just joking, bro.
Nah, Jit, tripping. I've got brain rot. Okay. If you have brain rot, you're infected.
What?
We
were going crazy.
10 out of 10. Anyway, that's enough for people now. Toilet.
How's it going on the swing, Tabor?
Yeah.
Ow!
Jump
scare.
Scare.
Oh my goodness, it was a bird. Look at the sunset. We're gonna see the sunset.
I'm gonna see if I get a shot of the sunset. That looks pretty. Getting a little dark.
Jump scare, sunset.
Jump scare.
Play bad again. You kick as fast as you can.
Dude, look at that. Trying to get. Oh!
Oh gosh.
Stop.
Bro, you're covering the camera.
I know.
Beautiful. Got a freaking mosquito bite on my foot. Stupid mosquito that I didn't even get to kill but saw. That's why I hate being outside. Mosquitoes come out. Only reason I ever come outside is because I either have to see something or be at school or winter. I've never
It's poking me.
Which is?
Off the couch.
That's just
Not my problem. I'm still recording.